What's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with a quick update for you on our free build giveaway. So we're giving away a set of wheels, a set of tires, and a complete lift kit. So if you want to get entered to win, the easiest way to do it is to come on out to thecustomoffsets.com. Did I say the Custom Offsets? Yeah, I did. Anyway, you just pick up this shirt. This is going to get you automatically entered to win. So this is Custom Offsets, Rough Country, Arkon, and Fury shirt. So if you can't figure it out based on the shirt, it's any size, any finish Arkon wheels. It's any Fury tires that you want, a complete set of 4 up to $2,000, and any lift kit from Rough Country up to $2,500. So like I said, come on out, pick up the shirt. That gets you automatically entered. We're only running this until March 27th, and then on March 27th at roughly 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to be going live on Facebook to announce the winner. We'll have a whole bunch of other, like, some random trivia questions and picking winners out of a fish bowl that we have and whatnot. So not only do you get a chance to win the free wheels, the free tires, the free lift, but you also can win some badass gear or Shine products and everything else we do during our giveaways. If you haven't seen these before, we always like to make a contribution at the end of our giveaways to a good cause, and this time it's the Gary Sinise Foundation. So if you don't know what they do, basically they help out veterans and things like that. But if you really need a whole bunch of information, we do a lot of work leading up to this to make sure that, you know, it's a good cause and that they're actually using the money for the vets and things like that. So we've included links to all their social media and their website in the description at customoffsets.com/giveaway. So if you want to come out, grab the shirt, that'll get you entered to win. Like I said, customoffsets.com/giveaway, or just come out to the homepage, scroll down, you'll see the big banner that's got Jerry's truck on it with the Arkon wheels, Fury tires, Rough Country lift kit, etc. That's it. Peace.